Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Dom. So today I'm making a short video about Blender. Here's like how to show the interface. It's pretty much like SketchUp or Rhino or anything that is a 3D software, which is like similar interface and tool as well. Have like move, scale. So on your left hand side is all the tool that like essentially that you needed. Have a like move tool, scale, um, rotate. Like for like orbiting, you use the middle of your mouth to orbit the object as well. And on the upper part is like where you can do like the add-on stuff. Like you have a like it's something like plug in SketchUp or something you got from GitHub that is pretty much like Blender, like how to use the Blender. So I have like Bloms here is the add-on that I got from GitHub, and I paid like $30 from it. It's easy to have a import some 3D map around the world. And now I'm showing you in a minute how I did with this add-on. It's like a 3D map that I have done with Melbourne map that I got from the Bloms add-on. So it's pretty much like the Google Earth, but it's like pretty easier, I guess, for now, which you can play around with texture, and you can edit like some detail that you wanna like have a touch up on to make it more detailed before you get this model into Rhino or any software that you wanna use it. Like on your right, on the top right, you can see that we can change to wire, to fully texture. You can customize anything, and if you wanna have a really detailed, because here's is like a simple map one, but if you wanna like detail, you can use Blender to edit by adding the segment, wire segment, to make it more detailed. So it's how like explain some interface about Blender. Thank you for listening. See you later.